Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all are fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 5, part B. Its name is Playmate. It is a poem and we have completed its translation and we have completed its English words meaning. Today we are going to start its exercise. So let's move towards its exercise. Now look at this. This is page number 50. It's exercise and the A part is understanding the poem. Look students, whenever we are going to complete any chapter or any poem, we just assess ourselves by answering the different question. This is also answering of different questions, and you will assess yourself by answering these questions, that how much you have learned this poem. So the first one question about this is A part, answer these questions and you have to solve all these questions today. A part, when does the playmate come to play? This is the first one question students, and as we have read in the poem that when does the playmate come to play. So look, we will look in the reading of the poem. Now students, look here on page number 49, that on a rainy day a little boy just like myself comes out with me to play. So we will write the answer in this way. The playmate comes to play on a rainy day when there are puddles on the ground. Now look at the second question. It's B part. Does the playmate come to play when it is not raining? So students, as we have learned in the first one stanza that the playmate comes only when there is rain. So we will write the answer in this way. No, that mate only comes on a rainy day. Now look at C part. In what position is the playmate at all times? So we have learned about this in the poem, and we will look in the poem that what is the position of the playmate all the time. Now students, look here that the position of the boy is described over here in the second stanza. But though I stand the right way up, he is always upside down. So we come to know from the reading of the poem that his position is always upside down. So we will write the answer in this way. The playmate is upside down at all times. Now move towards the next one question. Now students, look at D part. What makes the boy feel sad? Oh, this is very important thing, and we look back in the poem that which things make the boy feel sad. Now look here. We can find the answer of this question in third stanza. I have to tread upon his feet, which is a sorry sight. So the things which make the boy feel sad is that he had to walk upon his feet, upon the feet of his playmate. So we will write the answer in this way. The boy feels sad when he has to tread upon his playmate's feet. Now students, we move towards question E. This question is more difficult. Discuss it first. Why does the speaker think the playmate lives in another land? So we will find the answer in the book as well, in the reading of this poem. Now students, look here, but I never hear him speaking, so surely he must be in some strange land, the other side, just opposite to me. We can find the answer in the last stanza, because whenever the boy is speaking to his playmate, he didn't give him answer. He just smiles and didn't talk to him. That is why he thought that he may be from some strange land, and which I didn't know. So we will write the answer of this question in this way. The boy thinks the playmate lives in another land because he never hears him speaking. So, this is the answer of question E. Now, we move towards the next question. Now, students, look here. This is question 2. Answer the questions about this line taken from the poem. As we have read all the poem and we know that this line is also taken from this poem, I really wish he had talked to me. So this is the line from the text, and there are two questions related to this line, and we have to give answer with with the reference of this line. So the first one question is that who is talking about whom? As you know that in the poem, a boy is talking to his playmate. So we will write the answer of this question in this way. The poet is talking about the playmate. So this is the answer of A part. Now look at B part. What reason does the speaker give for wishing this? What is the wish? That I really wish he had talked to me. The boy wanted to talk to his playmate. So we will write the reason of his wishing so. Because the playmate looks so kind and smiles back. This is the reason that the poet wanted to wish that that boy talk to him. So, students, these all are the question answers which we have read in this chapter. And I hope so that these all are quite clear to you and you will give answers of these questions so that you can remember this poem quite well. Now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.